Today we're going to install the Carhartt Precision Fit seat savers from Covercraft on the front row of this 2019 Ram 1500 new body style. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're going to start on the passenger side. Everything I do on the passenger side, I'm also going to repeat on the driver's side. So the first thing here, I'm going to remove the headrest. I'm going to lift that up until it can't go any further. And then on this side, I've got another lever to push, and that headrest can come right off. What we're going to do is open this up, turn it inside out, and roll it around the headrest rather than trying to stretch it around the headrest all the way. This foam is kind of grippy and likes to hold on to the fabric. And so you can try to stretch it around that way if you like, but I find it easier to do it this way. All right, now we've got our headrest and we've got our headrest cover. What I'm going to do is I'm going to line up the seams together. Make sure once they're lined up, I can just start kind of forming it to the headrest and roll it in place. As you're doing this, make sure your seams stay lined up. Once the headrest cover is in place, we're going to take our Velcro from the bottom, wrap it around, make sure it's stretched nice and tight, line it up to the other Velcro, and attach them. Now we're going to go ahead and set this headrest to the side until we're done with the rest of the seat. All right, now here is our seat back. We're just going to pull this over top of the seat. Remember to try to keep your seams lined up with the seams on the seat cover as much as possible. Also make sure these holes at the top line up to the top portions up here. We also want to make sure just kind of work it a little bit at a time side to side. Don't try to push one side all the way down and then go to the other side. You just got to go back and forth. So this portion we're going to go ahead and force in between the seat bottom and the seat back. On the back side of the seat, we do have the factory seat back wraps around. We've got a couple of straps we need to unhook so that this can fit in between the two. Now these two straps here, we're actually going to feed those underneath the seat toward the front because these are going to be attaching to the seat bottom cover that we're about to install. All right, now here's our seat bottom. What we're going to do is release our Velcro strap from the bottom, get this spread out and laid in place. We're going to go ahead and hook this front portion over top of the seat. And then draw it back towards the seat back. Next, we're going to go ahead and force this in between the seat back and the seat bottom. And make sure these straps come out the back. All right, now we're going to go ahead and bring our straps from the front and buckle them to the straps in the back, then pull those tight. Now with that done, we're going to go ahead and take these straps and attach them to the buckles in the front. Now before we cinch down our clips in the front, what we're going to do is take our Velcro on the sides, fit it in between the seat side and the frame, run that all the way through, go underneath the seat, and we're going to attach it to the Velcro that we sit on this side, underneath the seat. All right, now we got the center Velcro strap attached. We're gonna go ahead and pull these through from the back. These are what's attached to the seat back, and we're going to attach them to our buckle on our seat bottom and pull those tight. Now we're going to go ahead and take our flap, reattach our elastic straps to the hooks they came off of, and then go ahead and pull the seat back tight and let the Velcro on the seat back stick to our factory seat flap in the back. All right, next we're going to go ahead and take our headrest and reinstall that. Now, typically seat cover companies have a general rule of thumb. If it's not a seat, they don't cover it, but this particular kit actually does have a center console cover, so we're gonna go ahead and install that now. What we're gonna do, flip it upside down, undo the Velcro. We're gonna open up the center console and just fit it nice and tightly around the edges of the console. Once that's fit into place, we're going to go ahead and stretch this back and wrap it around the corners. Once that gets wrapped around there, we'll go ahead and take our Velcro, run it side to side, and attach them together. We can cut this to fit, or we can tuck it out of the way. All right, now we've got everything fit and pulled nice and tight. We can go ahead and close it down. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.